Hi, welcome to I1 Auto. This is 2008 Toyota Sienna. I'm gonna replace the brake caliper or passenger side. So first of all, we need to take the tire off. Please put the jack and jack stand. So there's a 21 millimeter. There's a 21 millimeter lug nut we need to open for the tire. So we're gonna take this two 14 millimeter there. Take this off. Loose now. Set up this one. This one already loose. And this is the 14 millimeter right here. Caliper, not caliper bolt. Before I take that caliper bolt out, I'm gonna just pinch this brake line, so try to prevent like brake fluid come out lot. So there's a tools, you can use the tool. I have no problem to do that. Just put something here so don't damage the line. There you go. Nice pinch. Now let's take this off. Put something underneath. There will be a lot of fluid coming out. Take this off. There you go. If you just change the rotor, just so you don't have to open this brake line there, you don't have to open that if you only change the rotor. I'm going to change the caliper, that's why I need to take this off. Just simply pull it like this. I already replaced this rotor, the vehicle. When I change the rotor, then I find out that the caliper is not working. So simply just take this brake off. I need to take the breaker off. There's a, I believe is 17 millimeter right there. Top one in the bottom right there, and one in the top. So just a caliper bracket ball. Right there, two ball, just 17 millimeter. Take it off. See this ball. See this ball is coming out right there. See the ball right there. Oh, just simply just take the bracket off. So you can just buy only this caliper, so you can save some money. They sell only this without the bracket. So I'm gonna replace the bracket too, so you don't need to really replace this if everything is working, like caliper guide pin work properly. You can just change only the caliper, this caliper. That's why you save some money. Our new one. I think there's a 14 millimeter ball, one in here, one in here, and one on the other side. Just we need to take this off. See, after I take this ball out, you can separate this two here and just slide it in. Take the caliper bracket ball, 17 mm. That's it, it's tight now. Easily give a shim like this. This back. when you put the shim back, just push the rotor like this and see like it's touching. Sometimes it's touch the rotor, the shim. So when it's touched, you hear the noise like king noise. After that, just you can put some silicone paste like this one. I already put in everywhere in here, little bit in here, both sides. Don't put too much. And basically just put this back. So let's just simply just put this in here. Tie it up this bolt, 14mm bolt. There's a 2 bolt. So if you put the brake caliper new, you don't have to like press the piston. Otherwise, you have to press the piston to make a gap for the brake pad to go in. Now I just take this 14mm off. See, there's a 2 copper washer. So one go in here like this, and I have one in here already. See, I put it in. Okay, another one is right here, so it will go. So this one is go like this, and another washer is in here. Put it in, and this is the hole right there to go in this one, like hook thing. There's a hole, so just push it into the hole and tie it up. So this one I have 11mm up. You see the hook things. So the hook things has to go to the inside the hole. So it's going now little by little. And I tie it up. See this. It's tied now. I had to tie it very good. So after that, I'm gonna just release this vice grip from the pinching right here. It's not really any problem right there. I see. Now you have to do just bleed the brake system. So easy way, this is one of the container, and you just tie, put some fluid in here, brake fluid, up. So you need 2% to do that. Somebody have to go on the top and push the brake. Alright, push the brake 3 times. Hold it. 1 second, and then push it up. See the fluid coming. Okay, 1 more time. Hold it. See, just now clear. Fluid coming. 1 more time. Yes, let's it off. There you go. That's all. After that, just put the tire back and tie it up. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe.